Kompleto. Ilagay ko kayo sa ano. Sisi Angge, uyaho.
In the back?
Yeah. Pasensya na guys, medyo magalaw ang ating live kay I have to put you in my magic wand selfie. Ayan, kakatapos ko lang kumain ng ating saging. Ang sarap pala ng saging na mahaba. Uy. Saging sa umaga, saging sa hapon, saging sa gabi. Hagoy lain yung saging. Limuot. Baha sa Canada. Buh! Bakit? Wait. Maglagay muna ako nito. 6 million in the house. Miguel Love shout out. I got 6 million people in the house, babe. Huh?
You have what?
6 million people in the house watching this live stream.
6 million people.
No, 6 people. we like to do that, a little exaggeration, you know. 6 million in the house. Sabi ng husband ko, you don't have 6 million. Woo, woo, woo. Here we go. Continue to destination.
This is interesting. Look at that. Place for the dogs.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Cool. Ipakita ko sa inyo ang nice view. Ayan. Yung damit mo pang thumbnail, bulaklakin. Oo. Chris, pag makita kita, di pwedeng di ako mapangiti. Anong meron sa'yo? Katot. Pistilan. Ganyan na talaga ako. Masayahing tao. Simple lang na masayahin. Ganun na talaga. Siguro ang karisma, ganun na siguro.
You have snacks available, right?
No? Yeah.
Okay.
You want one?
No, I will, but not right now.
Pang thumbnail yung aking Pang thumbnail ang aking bulaklaki na damit, di ba? Summer kasi dito, so ibig sabihin good color, mga bright colors yan. Oh wow, rest area is there. What?
They don't have gas.
Oh, they don't have gas now. Di ka mahirap mahalin. Wahahaha. Sana all. Weh. Weh. Di nga. Oh. The sunrise is behind us, guys. Kaya is very nice outside. It's very nice driving because the sunrise is behind us. Weh, di nga. Look out! Ingat kayo, uy. Oo, mag-ingat sila sa amin. My husband is a good driver. He is a great driver. Look out! Hi, Idol! Spy YT channel, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. Oh. How are you? We are on the road, guys. Oh, naka 21 minutes na pala tayo.